prayer. The results then. One of
Pagihog manito ang tanan, atong idungo ang atong ulo, atong piyomo ng atong mga mata. Sugod na. Sa ngalan sa Diyos na mahal sa anak at sa Espiritu Santo, o Diyos na makakagahong sa tanan. Daghang salamat ng bagong bignisin sa ano, ng bagong paglaong na nakapahigmata ka na mo kalimutang. Mahal, salamat kayo na niniagawa sa mga pagtigong sa Cebu Breakfast Club. At yun man sa among mga tigdumala, ang among mga bisita na karon, among mga kasidungan, ang mahal, among ibangayo kanino, ang hiya, ang matagusan mo kakasintado ng gunahuna. Palibuti ka di sa anghel sa kalamitan mo redo, sa Espiritu mo makabanda ka namin. Inuno ang krasya at mapanalangin. May among kinahanglan nito, pag-ahatag sa namong pagkagaya sa matagusan. Salamat kayo, Ama. Samtang kami magkapagayon at pagahito sa mga maayong mga puno, mga maayong mga mauna, pinaakin ni among ang kalipyon. Ikaw masayo sa mahal. Samtang kami magabino ng lawa, tagi kami sa kaalam o kayo. Ikaw ang among mga paglaon. Kami sanan ang among pasalamatan, pinagi ni Kristo among Ginoo. Amen. Ngalan sa Diyos, Amen.
Salamat Pastor Zach. Bilang tamag, let us now sit down. Bilang tamag national anthem, kay ang ato namang tino, murang Dolores Matupani at Ferdio Lopez Banyo. So, anyway, continue our respect for the national anthem. Before we proceed, listening to the most important personality in this gathering, he is not only a very important guy, not only a very important source of information and speaker in Cebu, but also in not only in the entire country, but probably abroad. No? We'll hear him, ladies and gentlemen, later on. This time, let's call on Vance to let us know who are we here on teaching at around dealing ni Dana kapag kayo mamabot ng mga members of the media. Okay, Vance?
Good morning! Thank you, Sir June. Kung isa man itong very strong personality o personality delivery, kaguhara dyan kung yung kanan. Good morning. I would like to set a roll call on behalf of the presidency, Representative Alex, Representative Emeritus Greg, and our honorable speaker, Sir Saison. Okay. Can we acknowledge if your name is called? The attendance today is 18 by numbers. 18 na kabuok tanan. So, John Basadre, early bird niya. Rex Fernandez.
Yes.
ML Saison. Ginaro Manalili Jr. Kuni Manalili. Thank you. Zacarias Aragon. Remort Pugoy. Engineer Greg Siniming. Visitacion Moralde. Joy Boom Johnson. Ginaline Patenio. June Kanya. Paul Julian. Ronnie Milano. Alex Cruz. Resturi Banchoy. Maisheta B. Ortiz. Here. Istol Arevalo. So guys, thanks for coming. And
Wala si Mike.
acknowledge the new comer. Good morning, Mayor Rama. So we'd like to acknowledge also for the donations of food and contributions for making this occasion possible. Thank you to Ate Lee for the spaghetti, te. Chicharon for Sir Paul. Thank you very much. Thank you for the great food. Joy Johnson, thank you for the slice bread. Chief Artist, te. Thank you for the muyong, te. Mr. Arevalo, Pagkakiasali. Thank you everybody and to acknowledge your presence of our former ex-mayor Rama.
Mayor, Cebu City.
Paano na si Mayor? Mayor din ako.
Wrong. Yeah, okay. Let's please have our hearings on what you know. Okay? While we're doing that, we'll continue with because our resource speaker, ladies and gentlemen, will be the next that we'll be listening to. Because, he's, matter of fact, he's a nominee already to the bill, speech, right? Okay. Our resource person, ladies and gentlemen, this morning is, he's a community doctor. He holds a master's degree, he's a Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering. He's a Bachelor of Laws. He's a Master in Business Administration. He's a Master of Arts in Education. He's a Doctor of Humanities. He's a Doctor of Leadership in Management. He's a Doctor of Ecclesiastical Laws. He's a Doctor of Natural Healing. He's a Doctor of Science, He is a bioenzyme scientist with more than 200 inventions for food security through natural and organic farming. Ladies and gentlemen, he is 26 years old. Nabalide, 62. Yeah. He is, Julius Doctor, of course, I mentioned it already. And, some awards and commendations that he received already. Commendation for honesty, productivity improvement, society safety and prevention atlas mining. Community Worker of the Year in Toledo City. First prize awardee for having manufactured an organic enzyme best for environmental care, agriculture, human consumption, and industrial application. In 203, 2003, rather, first Toledo Citywide Micro, Small and Medium Entrepreneurs Goods and Service Forum. He was also an outstanding Toledano in the field of inventions and countryside entrepreneurship. Toledano, from Toledo. He was also a most outstanding volunteer probation aide in Region 7. He was volunteer probation aide national awardee, second place. He was outstanding barangay counselor awardee and outstanding barangay captain two-boy awardee. By the way, our guest, our resource speaker, ladies and gentlemen, was a barangay captain, barangay chairman of Toledo, Toledo City. Barangay Toledo City. Lutupan, or was that? It was not Lutupan, it was. Don Andres Soriano. He was the barangay captain of that barangay from 27 to 2013. Toledo City. Toledo is the largest barangay of Toledo City. Don Andres Soriano. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have many things to talk about our resource speaker. But now let's listen to him personally. Ladies and gentlemen, our resource person, Dr. Marlon Lawas Saison.
Thank you, John, for introducing our resource person this morning. However, I have asked permission from him, and he is waiving a little time to give way for our our inspirational speaker. And why we call him inspirational speaker? Because he is one of us. He is a member of Cebu Breakfast Club. Papakingalitan ba membro na siya. I'm referring to our honorary chairman and to the media friends of ours. Is our same honorary chairman because he is the first person who have inducted our more media officers for Rama Exclusive. Dito rin may tabo sa iyang panimalay nga kita na po exclusive niya pag-induct. Si Paripol dito, si John Kanya, John Basadre, dito eh. So, yeah, of course, Paul Bulila. Of course. So, with permission ni Dr. Saison John, pasensya na John, with permission, we would like to give the floor to the darling of the media, the friend of everybody, no less than our honorable Mike L. Ram. At ang paktakan.
Kaya maglingkod ta, doon ang mga tao nag-arthritis ta. Kanya, gigan pa mag another station. Kanya, di man pwedeng di kumanhin. Kaya pinangga ta mo, and I love you all. Kaya, may pakpaw ka na. Dramatize as I greet you. Pleasant morning, Mr. Buddy. Di ba yung apelido? Sa mo itong lawas? Oo, lagi. Mabigla ko. Oo, may kalibutan. But anyway, I will remove my jacket just to show proof that I came over to give respect to the Cebu Breakfast Club Incorporated, Visayas Media Association, Cebu Media Forum. Just give me 2 seconds, 5 seconds. Morning. You should not be listening to me anymore. You've been listening to me countless times. And let's look at our faces. And there's a saying, familiarity breeds contempt. Kung sige tayo pagkita o sayop sa usa. In other words, mamaligrata. Nagawa niyo mo. But anyhow, basta Greg Nagali, Paul, among tanan, June, napilakakay June, Chip, Isaac, mo nagali, niya kani si Kim, si Rex,
Remar po kayo.
Remar,
UHP.
yeah, I was there.
Ikan ka nito.
So, in other words, basta di lang ko busy. Giadto magana ko si Paul. Uyawan ko itong lugar ni Paul. Yeah, I'm really worried. Adto na ko na. Listen ka to at doon. What's your nickname, sir? Mar. There was a Mar.
Marlon.
But there was a Mar that one time I prayed, then another time he did not anymore carry my recollection of friendship. Never mind, do not have to refer it again, no? That's a political Mar. Greg, any one of you will invite me. Matanala ko itay. Apil si Sir Alex. Wala na lang din eh. Ito nandun. Si Dito.
Dito po eh.
Si Dito, apelido?
Panya.
Panya, no?
Panya. Oh.
Wala na dito. Ewan ko kung saan na siya. Pero tayo nandito.
Dito Panya.
I wish na darating siya ulit dito para tayong lahat ay nandito. So, congratulations again. I was here the last time, the same place. And as I was being requested by John Passage, so it's there. Bahala na kang isa ng pag-distribute na ng pagkukubo. Store? Haman do, haman. Haman do. Oo, sakto ka na ako. Atal na semana, whatever. Okay, man. So, I will come back in another time. Okay? Naman ko'y ato ang speaker. Protocol dictates. Mo ginaa protocol ha. Never take it away from our speaker. The only thing that I'd like to bring you, Buhing Calvario. Ibalik-balik lang yun ninyo. Ang Buhing Calvario will be staged Good Friday. The message of Good Buhing Calvario, ibalik-balik lang yun. Inyong mga stations, yun, sa DYCM or whatever. Si Jesus namatay para kita maluwas. Si Jesus gipatay para kita mabuhi.
Wow.
Simple. Maligo na ko. Ang Ginoo nga si Jesus nag-antos harong kita maluwas. Si Kristo, si Jesus namatay harong kita mabuhi. Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Congratulations. Ang pag hinuktok niya. Iya, kay walang muna ko. Any one of us deciding to go ahead, it always make my heart feel not good. Yeah, I just saw my kumpare. May he rest in peace. Former kapitan sa Ramos. Kila mo? Former kapitan. Goodies. Nagawang basketball na sa video. Likod lang siya ng mapanood sa fitness sporty. Galit lang siya o tuklo. Kanya, murag anak. Tumba. Yata. Muna ayaw pag sinuang na si mo ang purma niya. Daghang salamat. Maayong buntag. Kaninyong tanan. Sama na. I wish you all the best. See you. Thank you.
Si Pagpapang alang sa ako kailangan mayor, the best mayor sa Usigi of Mike Lubisras. Yeah. We are always oh, by the way, yeah. Now, please don't walk yet. Please come here. Okay. We have prepared certificate of appreciation. I would like to read the certificate. Cebu Breakfast Club Incorporated, in cooperation with the San Media Association, present this certificate of appreciation. The certificate is presented to Honorable Mike L. Rama. This certificate of appreciation is given during the Cebu Breakfast Forum, Media Forum held at Apple Tree Suites, General Street, Cebu City, given the 27th of March, Cebu City, Philippines. This certificate is being signed by Engineer Greg Sedeling, PME LLB, President Emeritus, Engineer Alex D. Cruz, PME, FPSME, President, Cebu Breakfast Club, and yours truly, Chairman, Cebu Media Forum. Now, let me ask Engineer Alex. Engineer Alex.
Hello, Cebu Breakfast Club. Siya, wala mo na yung title ka. Anak. John. Ano John? Okay. Firmado. Alex.